Solid-state lighting is going to be quite important. I think it's going to affect the way that we live over the next couple of decades. If we're able, eventually, to create a technology so that any surface can illuminate, whether it's the floor or the tables, the roof or the ceilings, then that's incredibly liberating. It means that people, architects, no longer have to conform to thinking about light as coming in from above, but it could be the very thing that surrounds us. It's very sci-fi, really. It's very Minority Report. There's a point where it gets quite exciting. Solid-state lighting is fairly close to market. I think it's probably within the next 3 to 5 years we will start seeing some very real high volume applications. I think if we were to cherry pick early adopters within solid-state lighting, I think there's probably 3 main areas. There's architecture, which is an obvious one because it is, it's lighting. We call it architectural lighting. The second one is a high volume industry, which is automotive. And the third one is advertising. We mustn't forget that one of the biggest drivers and one of the biggest concerns within our society today is the environmental legacy, the damage we're doing to our planet, or perceived damage we're doing to our planet. I think that solid-state lighting could be one of the technologies, there's a number of technologies, but it could be one of the technologies that has a significant impact over the next couple of decades on our carbon footprint. The US Energy Department has made a number of studies about this over the last few years, and there's a number of figures bandied around, but between 20 and 30% of energy in the US is used by lighting. In turn, they have made some extrapolated forecasts, and they've suggested that if the US was to move over to solid-state lighting over the next couple of decades, then we could expect, notionally, to close down 250 power stations. I think Petec is hugely important for the UK. We have a number of universities in the UK that are really are world class, and to a certain extent we could claim within the UK to have invented whole rafts of this technology. Currently there aren't companies coming into place to pick up from where the universities are leading off, and we have this huge missing link between academia and large manufacturing, and this is where Petec fits in perfectly. It's the capability for small companies or even startups to think seriously about putting into place manufacturing systems. In the UK, we don't have a national champion that would normally incubate a number of suppliers and create these supply chains. So if we're going to really take a position in this technology, then we're looking to Petec to lead the way.